Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting the exact assets you'll use in setting project specs. This prevents scaling and color shifts later. Import footage and vector logos. Keep fonts available so text renders correctly. Once done, set resolution and frame rate to match your delivery platform and organize into clear folders so you don't waste time hunting files. This first step saves hours during design and export and ensures elements behave predictably when you begin layering and animating graphics. Now you design the graphics and animate them with intent. Block out composition, then add motion with keyframes and easing to make actions feel natural. Use masks and parenting to attach graphics to moving subjects. Create templates for lower thirds and logos so you can reuse them. Make sure spacing, scale, and typographic hierarchy are consistent across assets because visual rhythm matters. Once animations are set, preview at playback speed to catch timing issues before final color work. Finish by exporting with the right codec and settings for your platform. Use alpha channels for overlays and higher bitrates for archival masters. You should test the final files on phones, TV, and web players to verify crop and legibility. If playback shows stutter, artifacts, or missing fonts, clear render caches, bump bitrate, or re-render problem segments. One key troubleshooting tip: isolate the failing element in a short sequence and re-export that clip to quickly identify and fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.